So I just pulled up, working on Chevy Avalanche. Complaint was this heater hose, the one that goes right here, is leaking at the elbow down here. I already disconnected it, so you guys can see right here. It goes right there. Bam. Easy as can be. And it also comes over here, the white comes over here to the bottom of the tank. Now I just gotta disconnect it from the heater hose part, so you guys can see right there. Now the easiest way I found on doing these is actually using a field disconnect. Not too sure what size, I forget, but I think this one should work. And the contrary is probably actually gonna be the one in the middle. The way I do it is I just get behind the line. Back right here. Come on. Okay, clip it on. And you don't want to pull. You don't want to pull on the disconnect and the line at the same time. What you kind of want to do is push. What you kind of want to do is push on the line and then pull on the line without really pulling it with the disconnect. See, as you guys can see, I took it out, but it did break on the way out. But the size that I used was the 5/8, the 16 mil. As soon as you get it in there, just pull on it hard. And once you feel it go down flush like this, then you can pull on this and it'll come out. Easy, easy, easy. We got the new part right here. Quick install and get it done. Quick, easy, $100, 15 minutes. All right, guys, so I had to replace both of the lines because I took this one out first, this one back here, and it was the wrong one. I didn't even follow it back to make sure it was the right one, and on the process of taking it out, it broke back there. It was already brittle, it was old, it needed to be replaced anyway. So I called the customer, told him that both lines are gonna need to be replaced. I told him that I broke that one by accident as it was coming out. It was already corroded, it needed to be replaced. He said just replace it, doesn't matter, since I'm there, might as well do it. I'm not charging him any extra or anything. He just bought the part and we're just replacing it. So now we're just gonna fill her up with coolant, run it for a little while, make sure it's good to go, and get on out of here. Just running it. We're all good, no leaks. No bubbles. No leaks.